Hi, I'm Sarah Kalicin. I am a data scientist, industrial statistician at Intel Corporation. So my role at Intel is really, organizational strategy around how do organizations utilize analytics, effectively. And, people think that analytics is like, it's magic, but if you understand magic, it's really well choreographed steps of, how to deceive the laws of physics. And data science is very much similar to that. It's really, how do you take raw information or data and convert it into insights for business? And it's a well choreographed step in order to have that happen. So a lot of my job is really to help organizations understand what they need to do to determine what those well choreographed steps are to be able to build their analytics systems. So I was introduced to analytics because I was a math major and I absolutely did not like the theory of mathematics. It kind of threw me. But when I figured out statistics in math, I actually learned that through my psychology classes, I was fascinated by research and experimental design, and that's how I got into into analytics, is through just being passionate about setting up designs of experiments. I work with a bunch of business development, solution architects, very bright, incredible people, and a few data scientists as well. So that's essentially our team. So solution architects, those who understand how to build out data pipelines, business development, who would be using those data pipelines, and then the data scientists to figure out kind of what data would need to be going through those data pipelines. In order for a company to be successful, they really need to have an organization foundation. It has nothing to do with analytics. It's really starting with what business problems are they wanting to solve, or what business value do they want to have. And then, having the right teams, having the right approach of, problem solving, and having the right culture and resources on that. Then they can start figuring out kind of, what data they need to have and how to, how they're going to need to collect that, store it, and then, be able to use that data for the insights. It's really just being open-minded to, to data and being able to trust it. And that takes time, and a lot of non-analytic people don't trust analytics or statistics. It's very abstract. So being able to bring them up to a level of that and the comfort of that is, I think is one of our biggest challenges as an analytic profession, is being able to bring them up and getting to them to a point where they actually trust data and realize that they can be empowered by it, and they're empowered to actually, push back and, and say, hey, I don't trust this, or I think this is missing in that. So I think that's part of the, the foundation of having a strong organization that adopts analytics. It starts with a small seed and then starts growing. Don't try to boil the ocean. Just start with something that has a huge impact but has low complexity. Start there, get a small team, and trying to learn from that. Don't try to convert everything over, because it won't work. Just start small. Most of the companies that you see that are doing some amazing stuff, they started 20 some odd years ago with just asking simple questions and trying to figure out that data, and they've gotten to the point where they are now. It's never too late to start. Good luck. It's fun. Go for it.